Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a resume on Canva apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your Canva apps, you just click on a search box icon, this one, click on it. And in here you can click on, or in here you can click in here and then write the resume. And after this you can in here you can see a suggest template and you can click on a see all, click on it. And after this in here you can see many resume that you wanted to use. You can choose the template that you want. Maybe I wanna try to this one, so you just click on it. And after this in here you can change the picture or the name and the title. You can change the picture, so you just click on the picture, and after this you can click on replies. And after this you can add the you can add your picture, maybe this one. And if you wanna change, you just click to tab on the photos, and after this you can click on done. And if you wanna change the name, so you just click on the name, and in here you can change your name, maybe April, like this. And after this you can click on this one. Okay, and after this if you wanna change this one, so same with change the name, so you just click on the text and writing like this. Okay, so after this you can click on a check icon or this icon, click on it and click on download for the save your resume and finish. So that how to make a resume on Canva apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment and subscribe down below. Bye bye.